Good morning everyone. Welcome to Vista's learning classes. I am your Max tutor Shruti. I hope you people are enjoying our sessions. Yes, we at Vista's learning channel provide free education to all sections of society. And it's not only right to education, it's right to quality education. And our services are We Learning, We SMS, We Talk. We Learning, well, it's an online platform and we do have our app also and you can find many animated things in it. And We SMS, where you can track the students' progress. And We Talk, well, it's a one-to-one live session between the student and the mentor. And our main motto of our math department is always be learning. You have to be always be learning. It is not only from the books you learn, it is from the surrounding also. The conversation, suppose if you have with anyone also, you can find some interesting things about them, isn't it? Yes. Before that, let us go back to our previous session. What have we learned in our previous session? We have learned a beautiful chapter regarding shapes. Yes, I hope you remember this example. The eye which you are seeing right now has shape also. Which shape is that? It is eye. That is, eye has circle shape in it. Now, we'll be seeing even more interesting things in the next chapter. That is numbers. Well, where do you find these numbers? Numbers are found everywhere. I hope you have played such games. Yes, it is snake and ladder and this you can find in your mobile games where your parents will be using. Yes, snake and ladder. I hope this you know. The numbers need to start from 1, 2, 3 as you roll the dice over there. Suppose, let me take some example. You have been visited some grocery shop with your parents or anyone. Suppose if they give anything, that is if you want to ask any object over there, will the shopkeeper give easily? No, he won't give. He will ask something called as money. So obviously money is also a number. And suppose after you write everything in the exam, what is the final thing called as? It is called as score. The score has also been a number over there. So numbers you find everywhere. You can find in your hand also, right? You suppose if I show this, it is 1, 2, 3, you start counting in your mind. Numbers are found everywhere. Ma'am, I need even more examples. Yes, you can find in your vehicle also. Suppose if you are having neighbor's vehicle or sisters or parents, you can run and see over there. Hold on, after my session, okay? Numbers, you can find the speed in the vehicle. That is how many speed it is moving and how many kilometers it is moving. And time also. Ma'am, time? What is? How about this time? Yes, in time also. Suppose if you are having a schedule of your school. Suppose if your school starts from 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. You have to schedule your routines according to the schedule which has been given from your school authorities. That is 6 o'clock you have to get up, brush your teeth, etc. etc. Yes, and the day, date, year, everything is numbers over there. I'm sorry, it is not day. Now, how about the next even more things? What is after 99? Ma'am, we have learned till 99 in our previous grades. What is after 99? After 99, you have to keep guessing. We'll be solving even more problems regarding this. What is the place value? And we heard about this, but I am not remembering this because due to COVID, I didn't understand my online classes. Yes, I'll make it more easy. Don't worry. Let's recall our previous grades also. Which is the least two-digit number? You have a clue over in the first question itself. I hope you can find it. Yes, to cover all this question answers, we'll take to the next slide. This is very, very important. From 1 to 99, you have learnt in your previous grades. What is the next number, next place value? The very first point, 1 is added to 99 to get 100. So 99 is being added to 1. Suppose, let me take the number. Let me take the number which you have learnt last, that is 99. I want to added 1 over there. If I add 1 plus 1. Ma'am, why are you writing to that side itself, units place itself? See, if I write 1, 0, it becomes 10 over there. So that is why this value is 0 over there. I hope why I am writing 1, it has been cleared. What is the answer you get? 9 plus 1 is 0, carry over is plus 1, and the number is 10. You will be getting a new 3-digit number called as 100, which is called as the least 3-digit number. You might get a question regarding this. Which is the least 3-digit number? It is 100, 100. Ma'am, how about the place value? I just know units place and tens place. What does 100 place value holds? It is nothing but 100. Units place, tens place. And this one, what is this place value called as? It is nothing but 100. This is a new word you will be remembering throughout your next standards also. So, units place, tens place and hundreds place. Now, I hope you remember the question. Least 3-digit number is 100. 10 bundles of 10 gives 100. This you have to imagine yourself. So 10 bundles, there is 10, 10, 10. Suppose there are 10 friends over there. Everyone is having 10 chocolates, 10 chocolate, 10 chocolate, 10 chocolate. Suppose if I count everything, what is the final chocolates I will be having? It is 100 chocolates I will be having. You can just imagine this. 100 is a 3-digit number. We have discussed regarding this right now. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. As I said you, this point is very, very important. In 102, ma'am, you are changing the number. Well, let's change the number. 100. What is after 100? It is 101, 102. You have to go on changing the units place. And after the number 9, 109, you have to change the tens place, that is 110. Okay, 102, 102. Again, just imagine this is in units place, this is in tens place, and this is in hundreds place. So where is the 2 located? It is in units place. 0, tens place. 1, hundreds place. I hope the points are very clear, so that it will be very useful to solve our next problems. Now, number words from 100 to 1000. Ma'am, you have just said about 100. Okay, you have also said about 101, 102, and this goes on up to 109, 110. We have just discussed this. What is after that? So, it is 111. 111. You have to read it as according to the place value. So, place value 100, 101, because 0 over there, you have to put a word called as and. 101, 102. You read it as 101, 102, 103, and this goes on. Now, what is the number if this goes on? This goes on, goes on. So, let me say you have reached 200. I hope people will be playing many games, and especially Candy Crush is one such game. I hope your parents or you will be playing. When you just go to the next levels, this number you will be seeing. So 200, after 200, 201, 202, you will be reaching something number called as 300. Please note down how I am reading it. You have to read according to the place values. So 2 is in which place? It is in hundreds place. 3 is in hundreds place. If I want to read this number 301, 301. Why and? Because it is 0 over there. 302. Again this goes on. 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So what is after 900? Okay ma'am, 901. Okay, 901. After 999. 999. You have reached the maximum of 999. You might get a question regarding this. What is the highest three-digit number. It is 999. And what is the next number? Just add up 1 to it. Just add up 1 to it. You will be getting 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over is plus 1. Again 10. Carry over is plus 1. Again 10. You will be getting a four-digit number, which is 1000. 1000. And how to read this one? Well, you will be learning in your further classes. Just think about the hundreds place right now. So, which is the least three-digit number? It is 100. Which is the highest three-digit number? That is 999. I hope that was easy one. Well, you have answered the and question which has been asked. Can you read this one? Yes. 928. So, you have to read it as according to the place values. I hope 28 you have already been dealt in your grade 2, grade 1. So, 928. How about this one? Well, let's see again easy one. 314. I hope that is very easy. Well, you can comment in the comment section for even more interesting numbers. I want to test your raw knowledge right now. How about this one? And we have seen such things somewhere beats type. Yes, it has nothing but abacus. It is a mental calculation you do it. How to read this one? Just count the numbers. The example is already been given. 1, 2. So, 2 is in hundreds place. That is how we have written 200. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beats it has? 5 bits. So, 5 is in tens place. That is how we have written 50 over there because it is in tens place. How about units? You have to remember one thing. The other name of units place is ones also. In many textbooks, you will be having ones or units. It is both one are the same. Okay. Ones is in how many beats? 1, 2, 3. So, it has just 3 beats. And why are you not writing any zeros over there? Well, ones is nothing but the 1 itself. If you multiply into 1 also, you will be getting 3 itself. No need to write it. How about this question? Keep guessing and let me write 1, 2, 3. So, it has 3 beats. Units place. Now, how about tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 beats over there. How about this? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 beats. Many students do this mistake. They will count 3 over there, but they start to write from the starting itself. No, always you have to start from the last. That is units, tens and hundreds. This number is 2. You can do along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, total is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, here it has 682 beats. How about the third problem? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, it has 8 beats over there. Now, this just has 1 beat. How about this? It has 3. So, 318 beats it has. How about this question? I hope you are doing along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 in the ones place. How about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 beats over there. How about in the hundreds place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the hundreds place. How about the next question? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 is in the tens place. So, here this is very easy. It has just 2 beats. So, it is 297 beats. Let's come to the last problem. So, that is 1, 2, 3. It has 3 beats. How about the tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It just has 6 beats. And the last one has just 1 beat. So, your answer is 163. I hope this was very, very easy. So, you have to remember one word, that is 100 word is the new thing you are going to learn in this chapter. Now, you have solved many things. I want you people to do this one. Let me just give a clue of one row. So, after 201, What is the number missing over there? This you might get in the fill up the blanks also. 201 after 201. 2, 0, 2. You have to just change the units place. How about this? 204. 205. Is the number continuous? Yes, you have to make sure that the number is continuous. So 207, 208, 209. Suppose in your free time, make sure that you practice the number in the reverse order also, so that it will last long in your mind. It is not only the one way. Always you have to keep on thinking out of the box, because you have to be unique in all the ways. Okay? Yes. Write in words. It is just the same thing which we did. So 501, because 0 is over there. You have to just write in the word format. 501. How about 236? Well, 2 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 6 is in units place or the ones place. So it is read as 236. How about this one? 392. 392 is nothing but 300 and 92. How do you read 92? It is 92. I hope that was very easy. You might get many questions on missing numbers and also word format. Well, I hope the class was very interesting. There are still even more examples and more exercise problems on this. Before that, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for listening. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.